how to turn on or turn off suggest actions and replies for notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings. Now we scroll down and in here, tap on suggest actions and replies for notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now in here, I'm going to send myself a text message. When there is a notifications, you can see it will provide some suggestions for you to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.